Welcome back, guys. In this video we are going to add the progress bar, and at the same time we are going to disable our create user button and reset the values of our email edit text and password edit text after creating the user. So first step is to go over here, and here I'm going to create a progress bar, and let me change the width to 30 dp and height to 30 dB as well. Let me self close it and center in parent to true. Line parent top should also be true. Now let me set the margin from top to, let me change this to 50 dB. Okay, and what if we change it to 80 dB? Okay, but let me change this size to 70 and 70 dB as well. Okay, and in now we are going to have the ID that would be progress bar, and this is sign up page. Sign up in the start, visibility would be invisible. Now go back into your sign up fragment. First thing you need to do over here is to create that progress bar object. Progress bar object progress bar. Now go into your attach to XML. Okay, and before this I'm going to attach that object of progress bar would equal to object sign up fragment find view by id r.id, and that was progress bar sign up. Okay, and now go over here inside the create user. Here we're going to set the progress bar dot set visibility to visible. Okay, and at the same time we're going to disable our button dot set enabled to false, so that user cannot click on the button while we are creating the user. Okay, after creating the user, if the user has successfully been created, then we are going to set the visibility again to invisible of progress bar, and at the same time set the button set enabled to true. Okay, and set the email et set text to empty string, and user password et dot set text to empty as well. Okay, now go on to, if in the case of failure, we should also set the visibility to invisible, and our button should also be set enabled to true. Okay, so that's it. Now just run the application from here. So our device is up and running. If I click over here and try to create a new, like this time I'm going to create bad@yahoo.com, and password would be 123456, and if we click on create user, it will start running the progress bar. Okay, as you can see from here, and our button is disabled in this time. Okay, so our user has been created, as you can see, and at the same time our fields has been reset to empty. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video we're going to learn that how user will check that if the email has already been into our Firebase Firestore. Okay, so see you guys in the next video.